Step 1 is to close the process gas feed pipe. You'll need to do that by closing the manual valve by rotating the lever 90 degrees until it is horizontal. Step 2 is to secure the left butterfly valve. You'll find that on top of the machine. You'll need to rotate that 90 degrees away from you. Step 3 is to close the right butterfly valve. You'll find that on the right side of the machine. You need to rotate that 90 degrees towards you until it is horizontal. Step 4. On top of the machine to the right, you'll find another manual valve that you'll need to secure by rotating it 90 degrees until it is horizontal. Step 5. Going to undo the first 4 wing screws. You'll be able to find it on the left side above the process gas feed. Step 6. Undo the second of 4 wing screws. You'll find this by the left butterfly valve we moved in step 2. Step 7. Undo the third of 4 wing screws. You'll find this by where we moved the right butterfly valve on step 3. Step 8. Undo the 4th and final wing screw and open the locking clip that you'll find on the right side of the machine by the opening valve that we did on step 4. Step 9. To attach the earthing connection that you'll find on the back side of the machine on the right, unhook it and then you can leave it hanging to the side. Step 8. Undo the 4th and final wing screw and open the locking clip. Step 9. To attach the earthing connection that you'll find on the back side of the machine on the right, unhook it and then you can leave it hanging to the side. Step 10. Disconnect all hoses attached to the filter module.